warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Effect of supplementation of cellulose, carnitine, and fish oil on lipid and fatty acid content of dark mascarpone egg by Profesor Dr. Insinyur Sudivya MS, Insinyur Eksa Rusdiana MSc, Dr. Insinyur Eka Handayanta MP, University 11 Maret Surakarta 2021. Introduction. Product of dark mascarpone egg on high fatty acid, omega-3, omega-6, and low cholesterol by disrupt cellulose enzyme. High content nutrient, low content antinutrient. Lemuru fish oil, source fatty acid, omega-3, omega-6. Lemuru fish oil increase palatability and taste loss. Function L-carnitine, increasing digestibility nutrient, decrease content cholesterol, increase content fatty acid, omega-3 and omega-6. The research was conducted to investigate the effect of supplementation of cellulose, carnitine, and fish oil on chemical composition of dark mascarpone egg. Material and method. Material: cellulose enzyme merk Celluprac, L-carnitine merk Elmen, contain fruit protein 30% and white color. Dark mascarpone female period layer 128. Extract lemuru fish oil, basal resin. Method. The study was conducted complete randomization CRD with for treatment, namely age T0 equivalent control lesion, rice bran, yellow corn, and concentrate laying hen. T1 equivalent T0 plus cellulose enzyme 0.1% on the ration. T2 equivalent T1 plus L-carnitine 40 ppm equivalent 0.004% in the ration. T3 equivalent T2 plus lemuru fish oil weight level 4% in the ration. Was 6 replicated. Egg unit replication contain 5 heat phase layer dark mascarpone. Table 1 nutrient content on treatment for dark mascarpone layer period. Table 2 ration composition on treatment for dark mascarpone layer period. Research and discussion. Table 1 average concentration lipid, LDL, HDL, and cholesterol of dark mascarpone egg. Carnitine has the potential to induce desirable modification in poultry performance and product due to its role in lipid metabolism. In the present study, supplementation of carnitine to the diet containing cellulose enzyme decreased cholesterol content in the egg, but did not affect HDL and LDL content. This response was in accordance with the role of carnitine on lipid metabolism, which facilitates the transport of long-chain fatty acid across the membrane of mitochondria for beta oxidation, fit to increase lipid and decrease cholesterol deposition. Long et al. 2018. Consequently, carnitine supplementation in the diet reduces the amount of lipid and cholesterol deposition. Parisadian et al. 2011. Longo et al. 2016. This finding was in spot with previous observation and why carnitine supplementation lower the cholesterol content in the chicken and wild egg. Got Alavi et al. 2010. Parisadian et al. 2011. Furthermore, previous observation showed that carnitine supplementation to laying hen diet reduced blood cholesterol content but did not affect LDL and HDL content in the egg. Leibeseder 1905. Resai et al. 28. In addition, Parisadian et al. 2011 did not find any effect of carnitine addition to diet of quail on HDL, LDL, and very low density lipoprotein content in blood. Supplementation of lemuru fish oil to the diet containing cellulose enzyme and carnitine increase HDL but decrease cholesterol and LDL content and duck mascarpone egg. Which was associated with the high unsaturated fatty acid content and lemuru fish oil, particularly omega-3 fatty acid fish oil as an energy unsaturated fatty acid source. Sutebio and Handayata 2070. This aid supplementation increase lipid content in egg. Sutebia 2004. In agreement with this research, supplementation of hemp seed oil in the diet of laying hen stimulated lipid deposition in egg. Dakar et al. Similarly, Suarez et al. 1906 observed that supplementation of polyunsaturated fatty acid in the diet enhanced lipid content and body tissue of rat. Conclusion and implication. Conclusion. Supplementation of lemuru fish oil in the diet containing cellulose enzyme and carnitine generate a higher HDL but decrease LDL and total cholesterol content in duck mascarpone egg. Supplementation of lemuru fish oil in the diet containing cellulose enzyme and carnitine generate a higher unsaturated fatty acid, omega-3, omega-6 content in duck mascarpone egg. Accordingly, supplementation of lemuru fish oil low the saturated fatty acid content in duck mascarpone egg. Implication. Supplementation cellulose enzyme 0.1% and lemuru fish oil 4% and contain L-carnitine 40 ppm can on the ration duck mascarpone egg. Thank you.